This is the second in a series of 3 videos that shows how OpenText technology can be used to unleash the power of information. Each video describes a high-level information flow that's common to every organization, and in this demo, we'll look at issue to resolution. Let's return to Innovate Corporation after the launch of their new product. In the next section, we'll look at how Innovate Corporate manages business processes using OpenText software. To help us illustrate the process, we're going to use a simple information flow that shows 5 different stages in dealing with a customer complaint, from issue through to resolution. Let me show you how Innovate uses OpenText technology at each stage in this information flow. We joined Innovate a few months after the successful launch of the Blade 2 tablet. The product is a huge success, and Innovate has begun to ship large volumes using their delivery company, Expedite. Unfortunately, a small number of receivers have complained about pricing, damaged goods, and shipment quantities. Innovate's customer services department has received a call from a client about a damaged shipment. Customer services uses OpenText dynamic case management to help them track and manage claims and to improve service. Dynamic case management presents a dashboard view of the call center. Claims originate from a number of different channels, including brokers, call center calls, post, and web. The dashboard shows at a glance where the claims originate and who is working on them. We're going to drill down into a case relating to the damaged shipment of devices. On the right of the screen, you'll see the loss and damage claim form that this customer has filed. The form has been scanned using OpenText Capture Center. Regional OCR in Capture Center converts the scanned form values into their actual text and numbers, and then the values are transferred automatically to the case, eliminating manual effort and reducing errors. The Dynamic Case tool has also collected content to support the case from numerous other areas, including Content Server, SAP, and FileNet. You'll also notice that there's a link to Tempo, and the status indicates that we're waiting for some content. Using OpenText Tempo Box, the customer services clerk can create a secure file share, enabling the customer to share information to support his claim. In this case, she asks the customer at Big Box to share a photograph of the damaged tablets. The customer uses Tempo Box on his iPad device. He opens the shared folder that Customer Services at Innovate has created for him. He's already taken a photograph of the damaged device, and it's on his camera roll. He selects the picture to upload to the Tempo folder, and then gives it a meaningful name. He then clicks Upload, and after a few seconds, the file is transferred to Innovate. Back on the case dashboard, the customer services rep can see the uploaded photograph. All of the ad hoc tasks related to the case can also be managed using Dynamic Case Management. From the Tasks tab on the dashboard, the customer services clerk can see a list of tasks associated with the claim. For some cases, there'll be a standard set of required actions, and these can be built right into the case template. For claims of this nature, the default action is to provide a $500 cash credit to the customer to compensate for the inconvenience until a new shipment is delivered. Innovate's Customer Services Manager can track the activity of his team using Dynamic Case Management and look for operational bottlenecks. The dashboard provides information that Innovate's Customer Services Manager can use to analyze the workload of his team. Defining SLAs for different types of cases allows the manager to identify bottlenecks, such as a skills shortage in a particular area that might cause service levels to drop. And the supervisor can keep an eye on his team even when he's away from the office using the mobile interface. OpenText ProVision provides Innovate with the ability to model, analyze, and optimize their business processes. With ProVision, business analysts at Innovate can perform a thorough analysis of the claims process and simulate any proposed changes before they get implemented. Now you've seen how Innovate uses OpenText business process management tools to manage customer complaints and deliver a superior sales service to their customers. You saw how dynamic case management helped Innovate staff to manage the claims process, how the software extracted data from the scanned claims form, and how Tempo Box enabled secure file sharing with the customer. And finally, we showed a little about how the analytics can help managers to optimize and improve the processes. To discover how OpenText could help your organization to accelerate the power of information, visit our website at www.opentext.com/BPM. And don't forget to watch the other demos in the series to see how Innovate's marketing team creates a web experience to launch their new product from create to consume, and how Innovate's IT and legal departments tag team to ensure effective information governance from capture to archive.